Let's start by prepping the skin. I'm going to use Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. This is a 2-in-1 product. It's a concealer and foundation. Mark 196 and go in stamping motion. And it has nice coverage. Alright, let's keep it simple and natural. This is pretty good for the base. Let's move on to the next. I'm going to use Match Stick Contour Stick. This is in shade Ebony. I'm going to and then let's start the blending from the neck area, gently going in circular motion. It's going in stamping motion. I'm not moving the product, just using the brush to go in stamping motion over it with light pressure. Do the same thing to the forehead, gradually taking it to the forehead, like that. A smaller brush, let's attend to the nose contouring. And stamping motion with a little pressure. And yeah, this is pretty good. With my finger, I'm going to use a cream blush tool and dab it here like that. I like to bring my blush close to the under eye. You know, kind of give me this look. You know, we're keeping it natural and simple. Yeah, yes. So I like to use this before the brightening concealer. This Shape Tape concealer. I'm going to place a little here, just a little bit, not much. Using the same foundation brush, I'm going stamping motion. Then I'm going to use a sponge to blend the concealer under the eyes. A light pressure, I'm going stamping motion. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Still trying to get some use out of this highlighter stick, so let's place a little here and a little here, a little more here, and then I like to take the foundation brush and go in stamping motion over it and do the same thing. No, nothing so serious. I'm gonna use this OG powder from Becca, Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. It says keep me close to keep me cold. I'm not mistaken, this brand is no longer available. But let's see what I can do with this. I've had this for so long, I never bothered to open it because in my head I feel like once you open it, the expire date starts. So yeah, I have quite a lot of OG makeup. So yeah, let's dig in. Powder puff, I'm gonna take a little and let's see what it will look like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, let's use this to set all over the face. Okay. Okay, this is pretty much it. The powder is super finely milled. And I'm gonna use this all over the face. Okay, it's really not looking like I need any dust away powder, but this is super fine powder. Alright, this is super fine powder. I like it. I'm gonna quickly do the eyebrows and get it out of the way. You already know I'm using Essence 24 Hours Eyebrow Pencil. I'm gonna start from the middle of the brows. That is where I have some scanty hair situation going on. So yeah. Clear brow gel. Okay, I have this Makeup Forever Aqua Resist liner. I'm gonna use this one. Little liner here, just like that. As I use Sephora Pro 18 brush to smudge it around, use the same brush with no additional product and go back and forth at the lower lash line. The smaller brush, I'm going to take this shade, blend it over the liner, just to tone down the darkness. Buff it over the liner because this liner is super black and I don't want it to look like a packer punch of black liner on my eyelid. I want it to be faded, but I don't want to use a brown liner. The black liner makes my eyes look stand out. And then let's buff it into the skin, to fade the blackness of the liner out top and out there. Yeah, it's a little stand out a little more. If you fade the black liner a little more, to look a bit bit more sultry and stand out. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I use this tiny half lashes, but it's pretty good for everyday simple makeup. You know, it looks like it's there, but it's not there, but it looks pretty good. I use Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. This is pretty much it for the eyes. It looks pretty sultry. Okay, let's quickly do a bronzer. This is Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy. Okay. I'm going to place it at the high point of the cheek area. Bronzer is a little too reddish, so I'm going to use a little bit. Forgot to use setting spray before the mascara, but it's okay. Take a little of this Natasha Denona pan, just a little bit here. Take it to the under eyes a little and take it up. A little inner corner highlight. I'm using Megawatt by Jaclyn Hill. The Sephora High Shine lipstick. I'm gonna go over it with Sephora lip gloss. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Simple, natural, everyday makeup. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after.